This is the story of an elevator company. A company with unmatched expertise, world-famous service, and products used around the world. But a success story is like an elevator. You can't reach the top unless you start on the ground floor. It was 1985, a time of optimism, creativity, and innovation. A young Steve Wurtec was hard at work in the engineering department at Schindler Houghton Elevator in Toledo. When he saw how his tooling ideas drove improvements in the vertical transportation industry, he was struck with a question. What if there was a company whose sole purpose was to make the jobs of elevator professionals faster, safer, and easier?
I started Wurtec in 1985 to be a solution provider to the elevator industry. Our first effort was to design tools that would help make the installations more efficient and safer.
As Wurtec's product line grew, adding new elevator tools and emergency communications equipment, so did customer demand. Steve expanded his team and, in 1993, opened Wurtec's first manufacturing facility in Toledo. Wurtec became the industry's destination for all things elevator.
Wurtec offers literally thousands of products for the elevator industry. We support the elevator through the entire life cycle.
Elevator professionals choose Wurtec for both time-tested tools and custom solutions to their toughest challenges.
Many times people come to us with their problems. It enters our engineering department. We try to solve those problems.
Wurtec's been doing this since 1985. We know a lot about how work is done in the field. We can help with process, product.
The acquisition of Elevator Concepts Limited in 2012 marked Wurtec's expansion beyond tooling into the field of elevator systems.
Through Wurtec's innovation and engineering mind, we were able to take what this other company had, Elevator Concepts, and turn it into our own Wurtec residential elevator.
We bought Southeastern Elevator, the small residential elevator contractor, in 2023. What that has done for us is it allowed us to do some R&D actually in the field. It allowed us to understand what the end user wants, and you'll continue to see us grow that.
Wurtec Manufacturing is still headquartered in Toledo, shipping out American-made tools and components to job sites around the world. But serving a global industry requires a global presence.
We've invested a lot in our branches, and our ability to be close to our customers and react within hours is definitely a strength of Wurtec.
Wurtec's branches are on the front lines of the industry, with storefronts that serve mechanics in North America's busiest metro areas, and warehouses that cut millions of feet of elevator rope and cable per year. Growing from a one-man business to a global industry leader doesn't happen without the right team.
Wurtec is special because of our people. We work really hard and we're very intentional at bringing the right people into this organization.
There's no doubt that, in my mind, we have the best people in the industry.
Wurtec's people, from many backgrounds, in many locations, with many skill sets, are united around a single purpose: to build a best-in-class family business, operated by a team sharing common core values, to produce a world-class experience for employees and customers.
Wurtec's a family-owned business, and because of that, that family culture resonates from the top to the bottom. Our employees are willing to step up for each other in the time of need.
Core values truly are the heart of who we are, and they give us a common language.
Ambition! Dedication! Hard work!
Integrity!
Willingness to accept responsibility.
When a customer partners with Wurtec, they should expect their experience to be much like we would expect from another supplier.
It's fun to recognize those who lead by example through our PAC Leader Recognition Program, and it's rewarding to be named a 9-time top workplace winner by our employees.
Without losing touch with its roots, Wurtec looks to the future, passing the reins to a new generation of leadership.
In 2021, I took over as Wurtec's president. Man, I've really enjoyed it. It's been such a rocket ship of a company.
Thriving in today's industry means embracing technologies poised to revolutionize vertical transportation.
The biggest change in my 15 plus years would be going from mainly a mechanical tooling solutions provider, growing into electronics, and now even software development.
We're turning more into a connected products or technology company. I think it's going to provide a better experience for the end user as we continue to build out connected elevators. Our industry is transforming. We continue to hire great people. I think that's the future for Wurtec.
Today, we celebrate 40 years of innovation, 40 years of hard work and dedication, 40 years of family, 40 years of Wurtec. And tomorrow, we start planning for the next 40 years. Because when you're in the business of taking people higher, the sky really is the limit.